Hello and welcome students to MAT 0018 or MAT 0028. I'm sure that you are probably getting in and established by now in the class, and I wanted to make this video for you to just kind of see how to navigate through the math class and how to find some of the most important things that you're going to need. So basically, when you first log in, this is the page you'll see. It will have all the important information right here, so you can see the intro video at any time just to kind of familiarize yourself with some of the things I'm saying right now. And then of course you'll see all the test dates here. These test dates can be different depending on when you're looking at this video. We'll always send a test reminder as it gets close to the test, letting you know what room number we will be taking the test at. Remember, that test is going to be taken in person at the Plant City Center unless you have emailed me and made arrangements to take it at an alternate location near you. The most important thing to remember though are the homework due dates. Now, if you look here and see week 1, week 2, week 3, even though it's called week 1, it's not necessarily that it needs to be done in a week. The way that you know when everything is due is to look at the due date. So basically, let's say that you are on lesson 1, 2. Now you need to do each of these assignments. So let's say you're on 2. You go to 1, 2, and you can see everything that you're going to learn here. You see the videos teaching you what you're going to learn, and then the video examples, which I do suggest that you have a pen and or a pencil and paper, and you kind of take the videos and take notes, and that will help you to kind of retain the information a little bit better. And then if you look down here, you will see this icon of a pencil and a notepad. This represents the homework. So you'll always see the homework and you'll see when it's due. So as you can see, this homework is due here. Okay, now I think I have given every student a certain amount of late passes. So if it's a very limited number. So you will not be able to use it on every single lesson in here. And in fact, I think I may have given 5 or 7. You can see there's more than that amount just in week 1. So I would definitely use those sparingly as a course, if you just happen to miss a lesson because something happens. But at any rate, when you press this, okay, this is where the homework is done at. Okay, your due date will always be here. Press this, and you'll see the homework here. Get a pencil and paper. Try to do the homework here. But if you have a question about a certain question, you can put message instructor about this question. And then down towards the bottom, you will notice that you could submit and see your total possible points that you got on that assignment. Okay, and that's how you do it. And then basically, I want to bring up something else here as far as the due dates. You'll notice that the due dates for all of these, like for the homework, if I scroll down, it's 2/14. Even if I go to week 2 and I see 2/4 and I go scroll down to the homework, that's also due 2/14. So what's going on is that if you notice up here at the top where it says the test date, it's because the test date here says February 14. So the important thing that you need to know is that at the time of the test, we are testing these 3 weeks, week 1, week 2, and week 3. So this test requires you to know this information. So the due dates for all of these homework assignments will be the actual test date. Once we have taken the test, then you can no longer do those assignments. So you want to have those, that's to make sure that you are prepared for the test. So you want to have those completed prior to the test so that you can be prepared to take the test. Okay, and all of the homeworks will work that way. Their due date will be the test date. So we're not going to tell you this is only due on the first week and these assignments are only due on the second week. They're all going to be due on the test date, and then it would be up to you to kind of manage your assignments in a way that you can have everything done. I definitely recommend you do things early because you can work ahead and you're not penalized for working ahead. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget, when you take the test, you will come in. You'll take the test on campus with me by pressing this. You have a limit of 2 hours. I will enter in your password in the computer lab, and you will take it that way. You're not allowed to take this test at home at this time. All right, so that's all the information I need you to know. Please familiarize yourself with these dates. Write them down, put them in your calendar or in your iDevices or your cell phones, so that you can always know when the tests are and you can kind of be prepared to manage your schedule. Thanks again. Have a great semester. Talk to you soon.